The squat is considered a compound movement, meaning it targets more than one muscle group. The most well-known muscle groups this exercise targets are the quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, and abdominals. So first I like to remove the barbell and place it on the safety bar. Then, if I wanted to adjust the height, I would push up on the holder and pull it towards myself. To place it back in, just move the holder a few inches up or down until you're at your appropriate height. Push the holder away from you so that it fits right into the opening and let it slide down. Re-rack the bar and test the setup before you put on any weights. Okay, so once you're done with that, flex your rear delts and push your traps together to make a shelf for the bar to sit on. When you're ready, push your hips forward and squeeze your butt. If you adjusted the height correctly, the bar should unrack. Take 2 to 3 steps back and regain your balance. Take a deep breath in, squeeze your abs, and squat down. Try to push your knees out on the way down. Keep the bar above your midfoot and push through your heels, not your toes. Exhale on the way up and squeeze your cheeks at the top.